Hi, this is just a fun project that I put together that demonstrates full stack development as well as some hardware development. It's a Chroma Decipher matrix clock, which is a derivative of the tick style clock that was popular in the 70s and 80s. I wrote all of the code for the web page as well as the front end software, back end software, and the embedded software that's driving the clock right here. This is a portable version, battery operated, and it's synchronized with the website that you see right here. I've got a bunch of others open that are not synchronized necessarily to the clock, but they could be. It's just that one is the one that I have that's synchronized. Anyway, this is just a fun project that I put together to demonstrate some of my capabilities as far as front end, back end development and Internet of Things by having something wireless and also communicating live in real time with the data that's coming from the server. So, thanks for watching.